my different coloured Play-Doh. I have white, yellow and brown. I'm going to separate each colour into 3 balls. I'll show you how. Let's start with white. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. 3 white. Now for yellow. There's 1, 2 and 3 yellow. How about brown? 1, 2 and 3 brown. White, yellow, brown. Now let's mix them all up. Okay, wonderful. Now they're all mixed up. Okay, let's separate them back into their colours. I'm going to start with white. White, white, white. That's white. Now for brown. Brown, brown, and brown. Brown. Okay, now for yellow. Yellow, yellow and yellow. Great. I think we should smush it all back together. Ready? White, white, yellow, yellow and brown. Brown. That was fun. You can play with the Play-Doh from your pack at home.
Shichi! It's flashcard time!